So this salsa that we made is, if you've ever been to Austin, a salsa that you'll be familiar with. It shows up in a lot of taco trucks, salsa bars around town, often to be slathered all over a breakfast taco. So it's pretty much 4 ingredients. It's chopped jalapenos. I used about a cup, about half a head of garlic, cloves peeled and with little ends chopped off. Put that in a blender with a huge pinch of salt. Chop it up pretty good. Put the lid on the blender. And then you're gonna drizzle vegetable oil in really slowly. And if you've ever made a mayonnaise, it's a very similar process to that. You're emulsifying the oil, so you're creating a thicker sauce than you would if it was not in a blender, if it was just, whisked together or something. My favorite thing to put it on is breakfast tacos for sure.